Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now. Make sure the Switch Lite has good charge and you've backed up saves to Nintendo Cloud or another console. Once backed up, sign out of online accounts and remove any micro SD card to avoid accidental data loss. Next, power on the console, go to Home, and open System Settings. This is faster than boot menus. You're preparing the system so the actual factory initialization won't be interrupted and your important data can be restored later. You now perform the reset. In System Settings, navigate to System, then Formatting Options. Choose Initialize Console and then erase all data. This removes user data, saved games not cloud backed up, and settings. If a PIN is set, you'll be prompted. Enter it to continue. Confirm the warnings and accept. The console will restart and begin wiping storage. Make sure not to power off or disconnect power while it erases, because interruption can corrupt the system software. Once the erase completes, you'll see the initial setup screens. Follow them to choose language, region, and connect to Wi-Fi so you can re-download games and restore cloud saves. Make sure to relink your Nintendo account during setup to recover purchases. If the normal reset fails or the console gets stuck, use maintenance mode by powering off, then holding power and volume up together to access recovery utilities and run Initialize Console from there.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.